Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install No More Room in Hell 2 game for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow these steps. So open Steam, go to the store page and in search the store, search for the No More Room in Hell 2 and then click on the No More Room in Hell 2 game. Now scroll down and here you will see play No More Room in Hell 2, play for free until 4th May. So click on this play game button and here you can see No More Room in Hell 2 and the file size is 23.31 GB. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept and then go to library and here you can see No More Room in Hell 2 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install No More Room in Hell 2 game for free via the Steam launcher on PC until 4th of May 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.